Hi, reference our telephone conversation. Just quickly show you a couple of things on Facebook. First of all, this is the deal of the day. We set this up on a WordPress website so we can install the plugin on your site. It's really easy to use. What you basically do is you create a page or a post. You call it whatever you want. I've called this one obviously deal of the day. You can add your default image here. So as I'll explain in a moment, you can be very flexible with what deals you offer, but if you don't specify a particular day, week or month or day of the week, then it will default to whatever your default deal is, which it's handy to have a default deal. But down here under this QR redirect, so this is where you put your schedule. Now you can specify a particular day of the month, so obviously 1 to 31 depending on the month, a day of the week, a month of the year, so you can have a monthly deal if you want, and you specify nothing at all, in which case you'll see this here is the default deal. That's the URL of the default deal, which is the URL of this particular page. Okay, so at the moment, just to give you an example, today is the 14th, so if you just wanted to override everything, be very specific with the day of the month, we can enter that as the 14th. We can, let me just go to where I've got this in Facebook. Okay, obviously that would be called deal of the day as opposed to a website demo. Only you as admin see that. Okay, so at the moment, if we go, so it's showing the default deal, and the reason that is at the moment we've got a deal for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and we've got a deal, sorry, that was for the 15th. Okay, now if we update this, it will then pick up a deal that we've specified here, which I think I've changed that to Monday's deal. Okay, so we'll change this now to the 14th. We'll update this. So basically you have to you don't have to do anything with Facebook at all. This will now be updated. If we refresh this now, that should have picked up the deal I specified for Monday, so it should just say something like Monday deal. Okay, so that's worked fine. So let's just double check and explain that again. So you can just set up 7 different daily deals there, and then you can just leave that, and when you want to change it, all you would do is go to your specific page that you've set up for that daily deal and just change the image or change the video, whatever. So I just labelled it pretty logically. Excuse me. So if we look at Monday's deal, it's just an image saying Monday deal. So here you could put your image of your car or your deal, that whatever you want to specify. Obviously you can include video as well as images and text. Okay, so hopefully that's explained that to your satisfaction. Now I mentioned about adding clickable images in the timeline, so I've just done an example here. Let's just do it again. So we'll get some media. So you upload your image that you want to post to the timeline. I've got one here. Let's just get that. Get the URL. And then you can just add a new post or add a new page. Again, it's really easy to do once you've done it a couple of times. Test post. Can't spell. Put an X on there just in case I've got one already. You need to change the template to WordPress image redirect. And then you just add in some fields. If you click enter new and just click in the box, okay, the image URL. So this is the image that's going to get posted, which I've just uploaded to WordPress. So we add that one. Then the redirect URL, where do you want it to go to when someone clicks on it? Okay, add that. Once you get to the swing of it, you can do this in just a few seconds. Put in your description here, and you can do this on once you've created this, you can post this on Google Plus. You post it on Twitter. Just click the box again, title, okay, add it. Just remember to add it each time so you can see what you've added back there. And you publish the post or the page. It does have to be a page, by the way. Then you get the URL. So just copy the URL, and we go to the page where you want to post this. And it will then pull that image for you. You don't have to have this ugly URL there, so you just delete that. That's where the title and description would be. So you just post that. Now if anyone comes along and just clicks on it, that will go to google.com. Okay, so it's a nice easy way of doing it. Let me just show you what happens on Google Plus. Just go to we'll go to a Google page. Again, just type in the URL. We didn't really talk about Google Plus yesterday, but it's obviously it's a really good place to make some more contacts. Okay, so it's picked it up again. I don't really want to post that, but that again will be a clickable link, and again you could have changed the title back in WordPress. So hopefully you'll find those two plugins really useful. I certainly use them a lot, and if I've got anything else, I'll put a separate note. Alright, thank you.